So I'm inside out. I'm inside out with my beauty, right?
You said that you've been lonely, makes you cold as ice.
Hey guys, you have reached Regina TV, and today I am just getting up, getting my day started. So, since I have a lot of things to do around the house, I said, why not put on my natural black Beijing rinse? Remember I told you guys you can apply this to clean or dirty hair? So, the other day we cut our hair, and I am loving my cut, guys. I am loving my cut. So what I will be doing today is, as far as my hair goes, I'm just gonna color it, and I am going to, condition it and let it be. And let it be. This is the perfect time to do all of that because I told you guys it's cold outside. This is really like hat season. So if you live in a cold climate, this is the time to take care of your hair. Well, it's always good to take care of your hair, no matter what climate you're in. So, like I said, this is Beijing Natural Black.
You said that you've been lonely, makes you cold as ice. Hard to get to know me, but better than the lights. Nowhere.
That's what I have been trying to do, run through the products. Now, like I said, I told you which ones are good, and I told you which ones are my favorites. I just don't want to be a product junkie, so I am going to be using up the ones, that I won't be buying again, and I'll just keep for my hair the ones that I really do like. I will not be buying Carefree Curl Activator again. I will not be buying this. You know why? Because you can't. It's discontinued. Rosemary water. Okay, that's a nice spritzer and everything, but that's not something that I need, That's not something that I just have to have, that I need to promote my hair growth and, and things like that. I won't be buying that again. T-Sal. Guys, T-Sal is good. T-Sal is good. Remember I told you this, cleans, build up off your scalp and cleanse your hair and things like that. But y'all already know that we have a different shampoo that does the same thing. And then y'all know my number one favorite thing to promote hair growth and to cleanse our scalp naturally. That is what I will be using from this point out. T-Sal did do good by me, and it's a good product. But I don't need it, I don't need to have a whole bunch of products sitting around that does the same thing. So guys, I'm gonna let this sit on my hair for a long time. A long time. Y'all know this is just tissue. I may need to run to the store and get something else for my hair because I'm trying to figure out something. So I may end up going to the store, I don't know. But y'all know our technique of how we protect our hair. Okay. Then we're going to put this on. Then we're just going to put this little thing on here. It's like I said, we are around the house today. So this will keep the rinse from running. And we can still do our facials and things like that. So I'll see y'all in a minute. We got a coffee scrub here. Guys, remember, coffee scrubs are good for your skin, but they also can be drying. So remember, do these coffee scrubs in moderation, and also remember to put back the moisture in your skin. Have y'all tried y'all coffee scrub yet? So, guys, let me get this off of me. And while I am gone, y'all know what to do. Hit that comment, like, subscribe button. And let me get this off. Yeah. So guys, I will be pulling out the machines today. You know, doing them coffee scrubs, it can be messy, but guys, the benefits of it is so nice. Like I said, you will slowly see like dead skin lifting up off your face. And each time you use it, depending on how often you use it, you're gonna see a smoother texture of skin. Let me get this machine plugged up. Now guys, y'all already know that I love spa days at home, you know, and so I have a lot of different machines. So this machine I didn't have for a while. I want to say I got it from Walmart. I don't know, I forgot. I didn't have this machine over 10 years. I'm trying to bring you guys a lot of my little beauty hacks and tricks, not only for your hair, but your skin and your overall health, guys, okay? Now, I'm going to tell you, the reason why I be invested in these machines is because I like keeping up with my appearance. I don't want to have to wait until, you know, someone can take me at the spa or, you know, for my hair, my skin, my nails. I like to do things myself so I can keep them up and a good appearance on a regular basis, okay? So I told you guys that, you know, I love like natural remedies, you know. So guys, y'all already know that this is 1 part apple cider vinegar, 10 parts water, and we spray our hair, and you know the benefits of that, right? So that's not going anywhere. I have a gang of this, but watch this. This is my apple cider vinegar. Sorry about the glare, guys. This is my apple cider vinegar, and you see the stuff in the bottom around the ring. If you're going to use that, that's the mothers that's in it. That's important. That's the mothers that's in it. Make sure you shake it up, guys. Shake that up because you want that mothers. So, guys, instead of trying to struggle through a whole cup of, you know, apple cider vinegar and water, let me show you. Now that the cider is mixed up in it, you see, it's mixed up in it real good. I got this container from the, you know, Dollar Tree. Just fill it up halfway full of water. And while that mothers is still running around in there, I put that in there. You want to get a straw because you want to bypass your teeth. So that's that, okay? Then you want to rinse your mouth out. Because you don't want none of that apple cider vinegar with mothers in it to start rotting out your teeth. So you want to rinse your mouth out. You do not want to brush your teeth because you will be brushing the abrasiveness of that stuff on your teeth, breaking down your enamel. So you don't want to do that. You just want to rinse real good. I love doing that. I really do. You'll get used to the taste and everything, guys, but the benefits of it is really, really good. So not only do we use that stuff, the spray on our hair for the reasons that I told you, but we also go internally. And what else do we do internally, guys? Our CoQ10 supplement and our CoQ10, facial moisturizers.
3 hours later.
All right, guys, so I went on and rinsed out the rinse. I had it on my hair for like maybe 3 hours while I clamped up around the house. And after I rinsed it out, guys, I just used the Cream of Nature leave-in conditioner. And I used our concoction that we made. Remember this concoction? Yeah, I used this concoction, on my hair. And I am just going to let it dry up some because I have some runs to do, and I am going to go to the health club and work out instead of working out at home. And I am loving the way our hair is looking. I'm loving it. Like I said, guys, this is my natural hair. I have no texturizer on it or perm or anything like that. I'm going to give you a close-up to what it's looking like. It's nice, it's healthy, it's thick, it's strong. Yeah, so we're going to keep this going. We're going to keep this going, guys. Well, guys, that is it. You have reached Regina TV. Do not forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share. Leave in the comment section down below anything that I did not address in this video that you want to know. Guys, by now you have to know that I appreciate you. You are the reason why my channel is growing, guys, and so thank you very much. So until next time, stay safe, stay blessed, love one another, be kind to one another, and I'm going to see you in the next video. Mwah.
Then get up, get dressed before work's off my list.